probably the best thing was I think we executed really well for a first game. We didn't have very many penalties, and we had some big plays on our own, and we didn't give up any big plays. So, and the next part was we got to play a lot of guys and see what they're capable of doing. I wouldn't say I was surprised, but I think you never know what's going to happen going into a first game. We weren't quite sure, not having scrimmaged against an outside opponent, what would happen. So I think I guess I was pleased, not really surprised by it. I think our kids have been working hard during practice, and we got some veteran guys playing, particularly on offense. I think we have a lot of kids that really like football, and they're really committed to being good, and we had that all throughout the winter conditioning program and in spring practice also, and they've really dedicated themselves to being better. I think a lot of them didn't like the way the season ended last year in terms of the loss to Whitewater, and really found out what we have to do to get better. I think the Wheaton game will be a big game for us for a number of reasons. They're a great program. They're a top 25 team, pretty much every year. They've been in the playoffs. Last year they didn't get in, and it's one of the few times they haven't been in the last probably 10 years. So I think anytime you can play a strong opponent and somebody that is a national contender, I mean, they've made it into the quarterfinals and the semis. So I think anytime you play a team like that, you get a pretty good indication of where you are. I think the biggest things are going to be in the difference in the game last year was not giving up big plays. They had some big plays on us. So I think our biggest matchup on defense is going to be our secondary guys, against their skill guys, the receivers, and we have to put some pressure on their quarterback. They got two guys that are really, really good quarterbacks. So I think those will be the two things for us defensively against our offense, and for us offensively against their defense. They have a lot of speed and quickness, and they attack either a 3-4 team that blitzes quite a bit. So our ability to pick up the blitz and to block those guys is going to be critical.